So good day everyone, we are here at Upper Kalanawan, Manolo Fruitage Bukidnon. So today we are proud to present our strategic management plan, showcase how our cooperative transform humble soy potato into sustainable livelihood, value-added products, and long-term economic growth for our community.
Ang Sweet Root Potato Cooperative, makita na siya sa Upper Kalanawan, Manolo Fruitage Bukidnon. And simple ramong negosyo pero dakong impact sa environment. Nag-produce o process o nag-promote ng sweet potato products like flour, chips, starch, dessert, o animal feeds. Ang among tubong ang probability stable o sustainable and sweet root potato farming para sa local farmers ko kay ang mulambo ang farmers mulambo sa ang sweet root potato.
Vision: to become a leading and sustainable sweet root potato producer known for high quality, affordable and nutrients-rich product that unfit local farmers and contribute to food security and the community. Mission: our mission is to cultivate, process, and deliver premium sweet root potato products through innovative farming practice, strong market partnership, and community-driven development. We aim to support farmers, satisfy customers, and promote agricultural sustainability. Core values: sustainability. We commit to environmentally responsible farmers practice that protect our land and secure long-term production. Quality: we ensure that every sweet potato product meet high standard of fitness, nutrition, and safety. Innovation: we continuously explore new technologies and techniques to improve farming, processing, and marketing. Community empowerment: we support local farmers by providing training, fair market access, and inclusive growth opportunities. Integrity: we build trust and customers and partners through transparency, honesty, and ethical practice. Customer focus: we deliver products that meet the needs of customers in terms of taste, affordability, and reliability. Teamwork: we value collaboration, respect, and share responsibility among members, farmers, and stakeholders.
So sa atong sweet potato weather forecast karon no, nakita mo ginatong lahi ang panahon kagom. Kung po siya ni strength niya nutrients, adaptable, tapos maka-cost po dun sa gamit sa itong cut. Then, sa itong one karon no, sa weaknesses sa itong product na sweet root potato kay Konsa, kung dili siya matarong og atiman, like madawat siya, kung sigon ulunan, mga lata, mga banana, pagkuton sa mga ilaga, sa mga aban pang akuan. Ito itong opportunities karon no, kay makakon siya value-added products. So sa atong traits no, kita mo na ito nasa competition of price, fluctuation of business outbreak. So mga farmers, ayaw mo kalimot, magdala sa iyong payong, pero ayaw ka balaga, kaya nara na sa sweet root potato.
Cell analysis. P stands for political. Ang karon nga panahon, nakatabang ang gobyerno sa mga agricultural sama sa natanom karon og mga sweet potatoes. E stands for economic. Ang economics karon sa sweet potato is barato ang presyo but taas ang ilang demand.
S stand for social. Social is morning mga healthy nga mga tao kay tungod sa kaon sila mga healthy nga mga product like sweet root potato. Kana mo nang mga benefit sa atong lawas, and then sa technology mo nang mga machine nga karon naakaron, then sa dili na puntanan kay namay pon uban nga area wala.
A stand for environmental. Sweet potato friendly ang klima diri, pero amping gyapon sa soil degradation. L stand for legal. Importante ang food safety standard of proper labeling.
Case number 140. People versus sweet throat potato problems.
Your Honor, ang among natubang karon oversupply of uban farmers kay mga wala gana.
Objection, Your Honor. Dili ko. Kaya walay gana. Usahay, kapoy lagi siya.
Personal mitigation.
Long-term contracts, storage and processing facility, farmer screening, and product diversification.
Approved. Sweet throat blooms wins. So we come to sweet throat talks. So we have three major issues. First is price. Second is market access. Third is oversupply.
So, muna siya ang tulo ka mga nag-apekto sa mga farmers sa ilang income o pagka-discourage nila.
Ayaw kabalaka. Natay mga solusyon ana.
And now we introduce the three power goals of sweet throat potato. Goal number 1, stable income. O pinagi sa market partnership o long-term buyers contracts.
Goal number 2, sustainable of value-added productions, eco-friendly farming o bagong sweet throat potato products.
Goal number 3, governance and unity. Transparency is life, murag sticky sweet.